The Network for Teaching Entrepreneurship, NFTE, is a global educational nonprofit focused on bringing the power of entrepreneurship to youth in low-income communities.
A lot of times our students don't necessarily have that environment that supports them in their ideas. I was really the shy kid that didn't talk much or didn't know what I wanted to do with my life after high school. Coming into the NFTE program, it really opened my eyes to what entrepreneurship means. It can mean everything if you put your mind to it.
Since its founding more than 30 years ago, NFTE has trained thousands of teachers and educated more than 1 million young people worldwide. NFTE's entrepreneurship programs are taught by highly trained teacher corps from within the local school system. NFTE students are supported by a diverse volunteer corps drawn from the local business and entrepreneurship community.
NFTE has collaborated with our district to enhance the entrepreneurial and small business exam industry certification attainment for students and teachers by collaborating with us on professional development opportunities, and our certification numbers have more than tripled since that exam has rolled out because of it. Our experience with NFTE has been fabulous. We've been partners with NFTE for over 10 years, and NFTE supplies our curriculum for our 6th through 12th grade programs.
I was a classroom teacher for over 20 years, and I have almost a decade experience teaching and coaching the NFTE Entrepreneurship Business Program. Most impactful by far and away has been the classroom support. The lead program managers doing site visits, classroom visits, and getting to workshop with the students.
NFTE entrepreneurs start businesses ranging from food and fashion to apps and now AI. By mastering how to create an A to Z business plan, students learn how to pitch their business ideas to investors and business mentors.
They get to collaborate with adults. They get to collaborate with peers. They get to learn that it's okay to fail and still get back up and try again because you're practicing. And that practice, then you fine tune that business, and that really builds their self-esteem because they're not afraid to fail through some of our NFTE programs.
How can I walk in a room, look at judges in their face and say, this is my business plan, and this is what I plan to do, and this is why I think you should invest in me. And so those skills are skills that help myself and so many other NFTE students every single year become the greatest versions of themselves and launch their startups.
It gives them freedom to learn how to be financially free. And it's okay right now to make the mistakes, because if you fail right now, you're not going to go bankrupt. So learn from those mistakes now and learn what it takes to make it better so you're not making those mistakes in your 20s and your 30s.
When it comes to NFTE, and the thing that I hold dearest, just being a student, then being an intern, then a NFTE staff member, it's the lifelong connections.
The greatest benefits probably been, it's twofold. It's going to be the mentorship, but also the networking and opportunities for the students. They've been able to get industry certified, and they've also been able to network with industry professionals, which has led them to other speaking engagements, other pitch competitions, and even jobs.
Self-esteem is really big for all of our students, especially now with social emotional learning and all of the tribulations and trials that they have faced over the years.
The people around me have witnessed me blossom into whoever I am today, just more expressive, more free, more confident, and the fact that I can fuel my own future and help others fuel the future of their own. I feel like I'm growing every single day within this organization.
Support our students, help us to create the future of entrepreneurs, of innovators, of critical thinkers, of collaborators, of everything that you're looking for within your industries. We cannot do it without you.
We're putting our heads together to really figure out how we're going to influence the next generation of entrepreneurs and innovators in this world. That's a game changer. And to be a part of a mission that stands for something like that, it's like, who wouldn't want to do this?